Hello students, hope all of you are doing great in this lockdown. Since mental fitness is also very important as we are not meeting our friends, not going outside, so it is very important to follow some of your passion. Now it's time to study MS Excel, which is our chapter 3. It is one of the very important topic in computer. It may be helpful in future as it is used by corporate sector, schools, colleges for maintaining records and analysis purpose. Here we will covering basic of Excel. It is the first step to learn Excel. MS Excel is the spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It is GUI based program. Excel is used to organize data in tabular form. Excel allows us to store, edit, manipulate data. It is also used for calculations, simple as well as scientific. It also helps to represent data in graphical form, that is as a graph or chart, which help to quick analysis of data. Features of MS Excel. Question is why MS Excel is so popular and useful. It is so popular and useful due to its features. Edit and format data. We can edit and format data in MS Excel. Though Excel sheet is huge, it has number of rows and columns. Still, we can find data easily and can manipulate it. Second is, it is very easy to do calculations in MS Excel by using formula and functions. We can do simple as well as complex calculations in MS Excel like addition, subtraction, square root, and minimum, maximum, average, percentage, etc. Printout worksheet. We can also take printout of the worksheet as our requirement. Create a chart. We can create charts of data to analyze it. Quickly, charts are used to compare, analyze data in a glance. As I told, MS Excel file is called workbook, which contain 3 worksheets by default. You may compare workbook with your notebook, and number of worksheets in a workbook is like a pages of the notebook. Worksheet is in tabular form, that is containing rows and columns. Excel worksheet contain 16,384 columns and 10 lakhs 48,576 rows. As computer screen is small, so we can see fraction of rows and column at a time. Uses of MS Excel. Used for manipulating numbers. As all of you know, we can store huge amount of data in MS Excel. We can edit it, manipulate it, when we can also do calculations according to our requirement like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, percentage, etc. Organize data. MS Excel organize data in rows and columns. We can sort data in ascending or descending order. We can also filter data on specific criteria. For example, name of the students having more than 90% marks. Store data as worksheet. MS Excel file is known as workbook. A workbook contains 3 worksheets by default. To store huge amount of data, we can add number of worksheets in a same workbook. To store data, sharing of data, we can share data with other persons. We can import as well as export data in other formats. We can also save MS Excel file as a PDF file or HTML file. There are many ways to open MS Excel. These are: thank you. Stay home, stay safe.